All right, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all a trading strategy that the news respects. We had CPI this morning and I was able to get profit. Let me show you how to do it. So the first thing you're gonna need is this indicator called pivot highs, pivot point high low. And what this does is show you the swing points on the charts. And based off of this, you're gonna mark off your support and you're gonna mark off your resistance. So let me go ahead and do that real quick. Now you look at the most recent price action. None of this really matters for real. You want to look at what price is doing currently. Okay. So this is a way to swing trade or a way to hold your trades a little bit longer. I used to be a scalper, but I've transitioned into holding my trades longer so that I can get more profit without leveraging crazy amounts of money. So I have my support and resistance mapped out, and I want to show you guys when I actually entered the trade and why. So you can see here that above this level that I have marked up already here, that once price popped out of here, it was able to push all the way up here. So buyers have been in control since it was able to break out of that level. Find my arrow. Boom. So ICC starts for indication, continuation, correction. So there was an indication once price breaks out of this level. The correction happened when price came down below and it respected the support. And then the continuation happened over the past couple of days. So you enter the trade once price breaks above this level where it previously broke out of. When you go down to the 15-minute, you have to wait for price to show you that it wants to continue to go higher before you enter the trade. So price shows you right here when there is a change of direction that it wants to enter the trade, that you should enter the trade, sorry. So you should have placed your trade here. Put your stops a little bit low down here just for some breathing room. And then you're targeting the previous high, which would be all the way up here. So this was my trade. When you go down to the 5-minute, you can see that price was definitely letting the buyers do their thing, and even news respected it. So this is right before news. If you go down to the 15-minute, you see that price was respecting this level right here. And it actually never closed below this level. You can come down all you want, but at the end of the day, price will move in the direction that it's supposed to. And as you can see, this is where price is currently at. Now, if you look at the 4-hour, you can see that there is an area of resistance right here that price might be targeting next. So you can swing all the way up here if you want. Now, if price breaks through this resistance right here, which it already has, and it also breaks through this resistance right here, which it's on the way to, then you can see that price isn't gonna go for that head and shoulders. Now with gold, I have noticed that it respects its head and shoulders. So you can see that there is a left shoulder here, head here, and maybe a possibly shoulder here. It all depends on how gold reacts. But if you're in this trade right now, Your target should be that 4-hour zone all the way up here. So that's over what, 323 all the way to 24. That's over 1,000 points that you can do for gold. And this strategy is called ICC, indication, correction, continuation.